Joining forces, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, join forces. This is a common expression in English, often used in both casual and formal contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Join forces refers to the act of coming together or uniting for a common purpose or goal. This phrase is often used when two or more people, groups, or organizations decide to work together, combining their resources, skills, or efforts to achieve something. It's about collaboration and teamwork. The phrase, join forces, has a military origin. It was used to describe the action of different army units coming together to strengthen their power and effectiveness. Over time, its usage expanded beyond the military context and is now widely used in various scenarios. To understand how to use join forces in everyday language, let's look at some examples. The two companies joined forces to develop new technology. Environmental activists from different countries joined forces to advocate for climate change action. We can achieve more if we join forces and work as a team. Understanding synonyms can help you use the language more dynamically. Some synonyms for join forces include collaborate, unite, team up, work together, combine efforts. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, join forces. Remember, it's all about collaboration and coming together for a shared goal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.